Hello everyone, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens. I'm going to be talking about the Okinawa spinach in this video today. We're going to get to that right now. So I'll begin the video with the issues I've experienced with this plant. Its cousin, the Longevity Spinach, is right next door. Unlike the Longevity Spinach, the Okinawa Spinach definitely attracts more insects. I'm not too sure which insect keeps eating up all these leaves, as you can see here. As you can see the Okinawa Spinach here, eaten up by bugs. Now watch the longevity, the difference. Practically nothing, or nothing at all. Damage from insects, that is. But there might be a little reason to that, because the Okinawa Spinach, in my opinion, definitely tastes a lot better than the Longevity Spinach. But, who knows? I'm not too sure which type of insects are eating it up, like I mentioned. I think it could be caterpillars and snails. The thing I like about this plant, much like its cousin, the Okinawa spinach, is extremely tenacious. It just loves to grow and grow and grow. They don't stop. The more you cut off of it, the more it grows. It just doesn't stop. Another issue to backtrack, though, is that it does have a bit of an unruly growth habit. It can grow like crazy. As you can see right here, the patio line, it's growing way into the patio, much more than the Longevity Spinach. And I just pruned this back less than a month ago, and look how much it's grown. What is that, 3.5 feet? The Okinawa Spinach likes a little bit more sun than the Longevity Spinach, but they still like part shade. So if you're putting it in full sun, you're not going to get the growth habit of this plant, because I used to grow this in a pot in full sun, and it used to never really grow that well. It likes part shade, especially in midday to afternoon. The interesting thing about the Okinawa spinach compared to the Longevity spinach is that the Longevity spinach likes to grow out like a ground cover, and the Okinawa grows a little bit out, but mostly up. Most of my pruning on this Okinawa spinach is chopping it down. Interesting attributes about this plant is how beautiful it is. It's not doing justice right now at this time of year, but right here will be bright burgundy or bright purple underneath the leaves. So it will be green on top and bright purple on the bottom. Very beautiful. So if you want an edible ornamental, this is the plant for you. The taste of the Okinawa spinach compared to its cousin, let's say, the Longevity spinach, is much sweeter and more palatable. It's a great leaf to eat fresh. You could eat Longevities fresh as well. It's just better if you cook the Longevity. But I use the Okinawa in stir fry, and I use it in salads and sandwiches. It's really good. This is a lot better fresh than the Longevity. Alright everyone, happy gardening.
Okay, like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching everyone.